Alright, well, I just wanted to do a quick update on the vinyl wrap on the calipers. And just showing you right now, I had to take the wheels off. I was just inspecting the front brakes, and I'm trying to see. You know, nothing's peeled up on it. You know, everything's pretty clean. I just wiped it down with a little bit of brake cleaner. The high temperature decals aren't peeling off, and it's been, I don't know how many months. It's been a long time, almost a year, I think. But I'm doing a visual inspection of the brake pads, which need to be replaced on this vehicle. But also in general, if you look at the wrap, this is the Avery Dennison. You know, it's in really good shape. It's not peeling up anywhere. You know, and this is usually where it's going to peel up, is on these edges. And as you can see, you know, it's held up really well. I'm really happy with this Avery Dennison vinyl, and I don't think I'd use anything else. I've tried 3M before, and it's good also, but I don't know. It seems to me I'm sold. This isn't an Avery Dennison. This is a you'll have to go back on the video that I did. I can't remember what company. It might be 3M, but this is a reflective high temperature wrap, and it's made for calipers specifically, and it's tough to use. So I think the next time next time around, I may try the Vivid. I think is supposed to be a little easier to use. So I think the next time around, I'll be using the Vivid and trying to do a full wrap, because I did this right now. I like it. You know, I think it's different. You know, it definitely stands out, and I like the fact that it's the color of the vehicle, you know, of the current wrap. But other than that, you know, it's really thick. It's a really thick material, so it's a little bit harder to work with and to get into all those curves. You know, these calipers have a lot of curves on them. So the next time around, I'll be, you know, working on that. So just stay tuned. I got this lamp. I've been working on the car today, so I got this lamp in your face. But anyways, that's just a quick update on you know, any of those that want to do that. Well, just a quick update for any of those that want to do that, the caliper vinyl wrap, and just to show how it holds up, and it's holding up really well. I mean, there's nothing that's peeling up on it. It's held up to the high temperatures, and it's, you know, it's in really good condition. So I'm going to give it a thumbs up on that particular material, and I'm going to try. I know this microphone. I'm going to get a new mic for this camera. I'm using a GoPro now, and I know the sound sucks. And every time I move the camera, I touch the stand, it creates horrible noise. So I'm working on, you know, making my videos better and giving you guys a better product, and just to show my appreciation for all your subscriptions. So I just want to say thanks. You know, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and hit the like button if you like this video. And I'll see you at the next video.